All right, well, happy Saturday, everyone. Let's take a look outside. Beautiful sunshine showing up across the region. Comfortable temperatures as well. 61 degrees outside with an easterly wind around 3, and we have a dew point around 56 as well. Take a look at some of the numbers in the weather where you live. 59 degrees in Clinton, 59 in Savannah, 62 in Kewanee, 63 Muscatine and Maquoketa. We have 60 degrees currently in Dubuque. Let's take a look at the radar picture. You can see we're not tracking any precipitation out there, so a dry start. That's great news and great for the weekend forecast as well. We have an upper low down to our south, and that is producing all the heavy rain and stormy weather, but that's staying well to our south from the Ohio Valley down towards the southeastern parts of the country. High pressure keeping that system to our south. But here's the problem. High pressure beginning to slide off to the east, so that's going to allow this system to slowly start to migrate north over the next 24 hours. At the same time, we're tracking a cold front out to our west that's going to be trying to move to the east as well. Now, both of these systems are going to basically be playing off of each other to give us at least a chance of a few isolated showers, but we're not expecting much in the way of widespread rainfall and definitely no heavy rainfall or severe weather because we're going to be kind of sandwiched in between both of these systems. Let me show you how this plays out. Here's that system to the southeast. Here's that cold front to the north and west. Notice the sunshine and clear skies across the area as we begin our Saturday. Now, as we get into Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, the clouds will thicken up. And then as we go into your Sunday, this low pressure moves in from the south. As this cold front moves in from the west, it may be just enough to give us enough oomph to create a couple of those scattered showers across the area. But again, notice this is going to be few and far between. We're not talking about anything too widespread. Let me give you a closer inspection to really give you a better idea of what I'm talking about here. So as we go throughout today, again, by lunchtime, we're looking at lots of sunshine here across the area. Clouds will start to build in by late this afternoon. And with that, I can't rule out an isolated shower or two. I think for the most part, though, most of us will remain dry, but 1 or 2 renegade showers by this evening is possible heading into tonight. Now, to go into your Sunday, we could start Sunday morning off with some scattered showers, especially areas along and north of the I-80 corridor, and more of that activity could sprinkle itself across the region as we go into the late afternoon and evening hours on your Sunday. So notice, again, nothing widespread, nothing too heavy out there. We're talking some isolated to scattered shower chances as we go into your Sunday. In fact, as you take a look at the rainfall totals, any heavy rainfall threat will stay well to our south and east. We're talking just scattered light amounts of rainfall possible. And with that being said, Sunday is really our only decent chance of any isolated to scattered rain shower activity over the next several days. So we're not talking about a lot of rain this week. We're also not talking about a lot of heavy rainfall even when it does occur. So warm weather, that's something we're talking about today. But as we go into the beginning of next week, we're going to get a little bit of a cool down as we go into your Monday. But that's not the big one that I'm watching. The bigger one that I'm going to be watching is by the middle of next week. There's going to be a very strong upper low that's going to dive down across the upper Midwest, and that is going to pull down some really cool air. In fact, we're talking temperatures well below normal by the time we get towards the middle and latter half of the week. Remember, we're in summertime now, so we shouldn't be talking about that. But today, enjoy a good summer-like day. We'll see these temperatures climbing into the low to mid-80s by this afternoon. Mostly sunny and warm conditions. Make sure you have that sunscreen, SPF 15 or greater, or you could burn in less than 30 minutes. We'll introduce those rain showers in the forecast on Sunday, isolated to scattered in nature, and then we'll cool it down briefly Monday, warm it back up Tuesday, and then there's the real cool air by the middle of the work week. Chance of showers and storms on Wednesday, and look at that, cloudy, breezy, and much cooler Thursday. Highs may not get out of the 60s.
Coming up.